Brigade's ultrasonic proximity sensors significantly reduce blind spots. They provide peace of mind to the driver and to the operator by helping to detect any moving or static object in the sensing area, detecting pedestrians, cars, motorbikes and cyclists. The driver sees and hears warnings on the in-cab display and buzzer. The monitor displays proximity and the buzzer sounds for movement. This significantly reduces accidents, and that means better safety and lower insurance claims. The proximity of an object is measured in 3 stages, so the driver sees risk in real time. It also means fewer collisions with street furniture, vehicles and walls. And that means fewer costly repairs and less off-road time for your fleet. Ultrasonic is perfect for smooth, controlled, low-speed maneuvering. It's quick and easy to fit to the back, front, sides, and even corners and steps. A better way to protect your drivers, your fleet, pedestrians, workers and cyclists. Brigade Ultrasonic Object Detection reduces blind spots, saves lives.